A system unit is part of a computer that houses the primary devices that perform operations and produce results for complex calculations. SATA Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, or SATA, is a command and transport protocol that defines how data is transferred between a computer's motherboard and mass storage devices, such as hard disk drives HDDs, optical drives, and solid-state drives SSDs. Power connector are devices that allow an electrical current to pass through it for the exclusive purpose of providing power to a device. A hard disk drive is a secondary storage device that stores and retrieves digital data using magnetic storage and one or more rigid, rapidly rotating platters. A power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. The main purpose of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power the load. CPU is the main brain of the computer that determines the processing power of the computer. CMOS is a type of memory that requires very little power to retain any data stored on it. It stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It can store a PC's configuration data for many years with power from low-voltage dry cell or lithium batteries. Motherboard is the main circuit board of microcomputer. It is also known as main board of system board. Random access memory RAM is a piece of hardware that allows stored data to be accessed randomly. Its main function is to store the data temporarily. A computer fan has any fan inside or attached to a computer case used for active cooling. Fans are used to draw cooler air into the case from the outside, expel warm air from inside, and move air across a heat sink to cool a particular component. A video card, also known as a graphics card or GPU graphics processing unit, is a type of computer hardware component that is responsible for generating and displaying visual images on a computer monitor. A Wi-Fi card or wireless card is a wireless terminal device used to enable internet connection through the wireless connection network under the coverage of a wireless local area network.